Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. This is a bonus video. It's been 3.5 hours since I did these, and I'm going to take the tape off. So let's see. Now, what you want to do is you want to very carefully, I know this is going to sound weird, but you want to very carefully get a knife blade underneath the tape to start it. And then you want to very carefully lift up on the tape that you're taking off. The smart thing would have been, not that I do the smart thing sometimes, whoops, these cups are stuck to the back. You want to do it about 3.5, 4 hours after you've finished the resin is set up a little bit. And of course you're going to have sticky tape because the one side's sticky with the resin, and the other side is sticky with the adhesive of the tape. You can see I'm very, very carefully. This is so you don't get that hard edge that's going to be hard to pull the tape through. Don't need to take it off all the way. You want to be careful not to get your finger into the resin that's not on the tape. When you get it started, you're very carefully, so you don't scratch the wood, getting your knife underneath. I'm just trying to find a place to stick that tape at. You're trying to get your knife underneath the tape so you can pull the rest off. I didn't get that clean of a line, but I mean, I'm happy with it. Looking for a place to stick that piece of tape at. This way, the edge of the resin can level out a little bit. And I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm going to try to scrape up this little bit. And you do this even more careful than the tape, because you don't want to scratch the wood. Okay, that one can sit for the rest of the night. Well, let me stick that back. This one, you're just as careful with it. You want to get the point of a knife underneath it to rip it open without scratching the wood. And of course I got resin now all over my fingertips. And after I do this, then they're going to sit for the rest of the night. And Wednesday night I'm going to do a special short live, just showing you how I put a final coat of clear resin on it. And the reason I do that, even if there's no boo-boos in there, reason I do that is because I want to make sure that all of these pigments are covered with resin, because that way, oops, see, these were stuck too. That's why I'm leaving the tape on the back. Okay. It's not exactly even. I might be able to sand off just a little bit of that. Okay, let me get rid of this piece because I'm afraid of it falling back into the resin overnight. There we go. Okay, so now this little baby will sit overnight to harden the rest of the way. You can see everything is stuck. Resin's sticky, I'll admit that. Resin is sticky. Okay. I see a little bleed over, but it's not that big a deal. So, I will hope to see you guys Wednesday night, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, to watch me put the resin on these. I'm debating if I should do the handle, and I guess it wouldn't hurt to do the handle part. Up. May not be as easy as I thought it would be. You want to very carefully get your knife under it. Ah, see? Well, I didn't mess up the resin. It'll move still, but not that much. See? Very, very carefully underneath the tape. Just to get the tape away from the edge. Now I got a clean line right there. That should not be a, I guess you would say, a sharp line. So let me do the other one real quick on camera so you can see. See, very carefully underneath the tape, pry it up with the knife edge. Peel it back. You never get, until you take out the gloves, you're not going to get rid of the little sticky bits of tape that are stuck to your glove, because they're sticky, like I said, on both sides. There we go. I'm not going to do a big editing job on this, but I'm going to post it in the morning. And you can see the tape didn't stick all the way on the bottom. Oops. But that's okay. That's okay. There we go. Now they're going to sit overnight. I can see a couple little pieces of dirt and dust in it, so that's a good reason for me to do the coating tomorrow. So, see you all at my live, my special live, short one, tomorrow night. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Tell me what you think of this. And tell me at the live tomorrow what you think of everything else. Well, Wednesday night, I don't know if this will go up, I doubt it'll go up tonight. It'll probably go up in the morning. So, all I can say is, bye for now.